Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to recall Gmail email already sent in mobile, so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're already signed in with the Google account you want to use. That's important so you don't end up in the wrong inbox. Step 2. Now, just like I'm doing here, for example, tap on the Compose button at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's the little plus sign that lets you start a new email. Step 3. Type in the Gmail address of the person you want to send the email to. Then go down to the subject line and enter any subject you like. This helps organize your email and gives the receiver an idea of what it's about. Step 4. Next, type out your message in the main body of the email. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap the Send button. As soon as you send it, keep an eye on the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small pop-up that says Sent with the option to undo and tap on it. That undo button only appears for a few seconds, usually between 5 and 30 seconds. Step 5. Once you tap undo, the email will not be sent. Instead, it goes back into your drafts folder. From there, you can edit it, fix any errors, or even decide not to send it at all. When you're ready, just tap the Send button again at the top right of the screen. And that's how you recall Gmail email already sent in mobile. Super easy and really helpful if you ever send something too quickly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.